हाय गाइस, आवाज आ रही तो बताओ भाई प्लीज। कोई कमेंट, कोई मैसेज, समथिंग। हेलो, हाय गाइस, सॉरी मैंने पूरी कहानी सुना दी। आई डिडंट रियलाइज कि माइक मैंने ऑफ कर रखा था। तो एक बार विल गो ओवर अगेन। So this company started in 1995, and there was no major action up till 2011, and thereafter a rally came which gave almost 200% returns. This was 600. I was talking about this rally. So this gave almost 280% returns, and the stock corrected in Corona by almost 45%. The second rally gave almost 378% returns, and currently is stock trading at 450 rupee. So now why this came into our eyes today? See this. These volumes, they signifies that the smart money has been entering at different interval into this stock, and the rejection at this supply zones, these rejection, and then again, time and again it has been getting support at this demand zone. The kind of volume which was seen today, and It has almost touched its 200 EMA today. We are waiting for a convincing closing above this 200 EMA. This. So just keep an eye on this, and there might be strong demand which might follow once it gives a closing above this 200 EMA. So this was the action which we observed today. Let's see what kind of fundamentals it has got. So Brilliance Textiles, mid-cap company. You see the stock P is currently cheaper than the industry P. As of now, company is almost debt-free. For past 10-year, the average return on capital employed has been around 12, and for the past year it was around 11. A healthy promoter holding is there in the company without any pledging, while FI and DI both have been maintaining some stake in this script, and a healthy sales growth of around 7.8% is being maintained by the stock. If we see its comparison with its peers, you can see that company stands in a healthy state with P for the industry is around 22, while the company is around 15. Debt to equity is 0.52 for the entire sector, and for this company it is around almost 0.13. So we can see the fundamentals are also pretty good. Specifically, if you see the cash which has been generated by the company from its operations is fairly well in the profit after tax, which signifies that company has been able to convert its profit generated into cash as well. Very healthy ratio. So far so good. Let us go to our second stock, Sundaram Fast. The company got listed around 99. Nothing major action till almost 2013. Thereafter we saw first rally, which was around 400%. The second rally followed for almost 391% again, followed by a correction of almost 60%. This was during Corona times, and nothing stopping up post Corona. It gave almost 432%. So whenever the company has been entering the bullish phase, it has given almost 400 touching percentage for the bullish phase. Currently the stock is trading at 1020. Let us see why it came into our radar today. This was the screenshot which I had posted in our YouTube shorts as well some time back. Similar story. One thing peculiar which I want to bring out here is that TVS stock has been in action for last almost 1.5 months, and I have been intimating about TVS holding as well as TVS Motors time and again since July and almost in August 3rd week as well. So this Sundaram Fast is also the fundamentals. We check that also. Sundaram Fast is also the subsidiary of TVS Motors. So the action which is visible in TVS stock is also having its ripples in this stock as well. So अगर आप ध्यान दें, similar action as we saw in Brilliance Textiles, stock ने आज बहुत ही major price action दिखाया, supported by the smart money volumes as well, and price has taken 3 corrections: the first one, second one, and third one. As soon as it comes into proximity with the 200 EMA and जैसे ही स्टॉक थोड़ा भी करेक्ट होना स्टार्ट होता है, you can see a major demand which gets generated. आज भी स्टॉक ने वही एक्शन दिखाया. स्टॉक ने ये जो पहले डिमांड जोन थी, thereafter converted into supply zone. स्टॉक ने आज इस सप्लाई जोन को क्रॉस करने के लिए थोड़ा डिस्टेंस दिखाया and after touching 200 EMA, stock retraced a bit, giving a closing at 1020. So in next a few days, let us watch out whether convincing closing is given about 200 EMA and stock might see fresh strength once it gives a solid closing above this 1035 levels. Let us see what kind of fundamentals it has got and why we are relating it to the TVS. So if you look closely over here, Sundaram Fasteners Limited, a part of the TVS group of companies, is engaged in manufacturing critical high precision components such as fasteners, powertrain components, etc. for the automotive, infrastructure, windmill and aviation sectors. दोस्तों आपको पता है कि लास्ट वीक ऑटो सेक्टर में जो आग लगी थी, मतलब I've not seen anything like that. Maruti was 9% up. Maruti जैसा स्टॉक मैसिव, मतलब वो उस हाथी को मूव कराना बड़ा मुश्किल है. And that kind of stock giving 9% move in a single day. You can imagine the strength which is coming into auto sector. So Sundaram Fastener basically auto components banata hai for the auto sector, and it is also part of the TVS group. Coming on to its fundamentals, mid-cap stock P is around 39.3 while the industrial average is around 26. Promoters have got almost 47% stake while FIs and DIs have got 11 and 23% stakes respectively. You see a really healthy ROCE over a 10 period average, 21.2. While the ROCE for the 5 year has been 18.4, for the last year it was around 17.1. Awesome fundamentals. The sales have been around 10 for the last 5 years, and if you see the cash conversion ratio of the cash from operations with respect to its profit after tax has also been really good. I would say really good. If you come on to the year comparison, although company is a mid-cap company, but the fundamentals are solid. Company is almost debt-free. Promoter holding stands around 47%, and ROCE and ROE has been amazing, as we saw. So both the companies, the Sundaram Fasteners as well as Vardhaman Textiles, I would say we must keep an eye on these two gems for next a few days. And I've already told you guys, Hero MotoCorp जो हमने I think last 3 weeks we have been giving this stock for almost, I think it started somewhere, this was the day, not May, I think it was around this, around 15th of July when this thing came into our radar. And since that day has given almost good out 18% return it has given. So guys, please keep an eye on these gems and see you in the next video. This was all for today. Subscribe to the channel for the regular updates. आजकल टाइम थोड़ा कम मिल रहा है, इसीलिए शाम को थोड़ा बहुत जो टाइम मिलता है आफ्टर द मेन जॉब उसमें पोस्ट वगैरह कर देता हूँ. प्लीज चेक आउट आवर चैनल. Latest updates we have been posting about our current rates as well as the whatever is happening in the market. We have also been trying something with the Bitcoin and crypto trading. Let's see how it goes. As of now, the main stake is with the monthly stock trading, option selling, and probably a few expiries as well. You can subscribe to the channel for more updates and for all financial knowledge. So this was your Trade Investor. See you in the next video. Till then, trade safe, invest smart, and stay classy as well.